So you're telling me you're about to watch a video on the fastest way to make gains, but, bro, have you even exercised today yet? Like, all honesty, like, cut the BS. Have you actually exercised today? You haven't left that bed, haven't you? So you're watching this video in your bed. I'll put $10. You're in your bed watching this video, aren't you? Don't lie to me. Don't freaking lie to me. You're in your bed right now. Don't lie to me. Matter of fact, when was the last time you exercised? Bro, when was the last time you stretched? It's funny because that's literally the first tip that's on this video. Actually exercise. People will ask me, what do I do to get built? And the first thing I ask them is, bro, do you have a gym membership? The answer is no. Okay. Do you have a workout plan at least? No. Do you have, like, you don't even exercise, bro. You don't. Where are these gains supposed to come from? Dude, you don't exercise. Of all things, you don't exercise. Dude, it's so many people that come up to me and tell me, bro, how many weeks is it gonna take for me to dude, what are you talking about? How many weeks is it gonna take for what? For what to come in? You haven't exercised in months. Start with that. The point I'm not understanding is, bro, you're trying to make gains. Food's not gonna give you gains. Technically, yes, it does. I understand that, but bro, you don't even exercise. The next one I'm gonna give is to perform exercises that work more than one body part at once. In other words, let's say if you're at the gym, heavy compound lifts. Compound lifts mean, what do I mean by compound lifts? The three that I can think of off the top of my head, and I don't know if there's any more that really are that significant, but three I can think of, the three I can think of off the top of my head: bench press, the squats, and deadlifts. Why? They work more than one muscle at once. Squats are one of the hardest exercises ever. I like doing them because I got built legs. Benching, obviously, if you're in the gym, you know what benching and squatting are, dude. Come on. You know what deadlifting is. That one dude at the corner of the gym, that one dude at the corner of the gym, yeah, that's deadlifting. Everybody knows what I'm talking about. It's that one dude in the gym, right? He's ego lifting his ass off, making all the grunting noise in the gym. Or here's... You look to your right, and it's this tiny dude freaking ego lifting, freaking ego deadlifting. His form's off. The weight's too high for him. And you can just tell this dude's making no gains. His form's not even right. But other than that, that's besides the point. The point I'm trying to make is to do heavy compound lifts. And another great exercise, if you want to do at home, like I mostly emphasize on this channel, or what that I mostly talk about on this channel, obviously for a great example would be push-ups. Push-ups work your... Literally, push-ups work your chest, your triceps, depending on your form, can hit your back and your shoulders. Why aren't you doing them? The next tip, each week you are supposed to add some form of progressive overload. What do I mean by progressive overload? You're sitting there wondering why you're not making any gains. Bro, you've been doing these same workouts for the past year with the same reps, same set, same weights. How on earth do you expect to get bigger? There's no shot you genuinely think in your head you are supposed to get bigger doing the same workout, same set, same weight, everything for a whole year. Where does that work at? Where does that work? Obviously, over time, let's say like this, right? You're at a gym, right? Let's say this, you're at a gym, right? You bench 100 pounds, right? Do that for however many times you hit the gym that week, because I emphasize full body workouts. So let's say you hit bench press 3 times a week. Then guess what? The week after that, you hit the same bench press with the same reps, same weight, same sets, everything. Well, not same weight, my bad. You add like 5 pounds. The next week, you add 5 more pounds. The next week after that, you add 5 more pounds. Simple as that. You keep going up until you start realizing, I went from 100 pounds, now I'm benching 120. You have to increase the weight yourself. Your gains will not just come out of nowhere, bruh. Now, the next thing, Track your calories. I know a lot of people are gonna sit up here and say, but I thought you said the food didn't matter. It clearly does, bro. Like, let's be honest. Let's not go up here and sit up here and be stupid with ourselves. Food matters, recovery matters, exercising matters, all of it matters, okay? The point I'm trying to make is if you do not exercise, none of that will matter. How are you gonna get recovery if you, what are you recovering from? You don't exercise. What are you having a diet for? You don't exercise. Where is all this protein gonna go? You don't exercise. To what muscles? But if you are exercising, clearly tracking your calories matters. Matter of fact, I want y'all to try this. I don't even have to go into the details and be technical. I'm not gonna do any of that. I'm gonna ask you this. I want you to eat 1,000 calories, right? Track everything you eat. Eat 1,000 calories, right? Eat 1,000 calories. That day. Eat 1,000 calories, right? Doesn't matter what you eat. Don't eat too unhealthy. Don't be stupid. But eat 1,000 calories. Let me know how you feel. Then the next day, eat 3,000 calories. I guarantee you, you will feel full and sufficient the entire day because you consumed more calories. I've seen some of the swollest people, I know people with a smaller body fat percentage than me that eat more calories and don't care what they eat and still have better abs than me. I don't have any abs. Track your calories. Because the main thing that they emphasized was they track their calories. That's why they're able to make gains like that. Now, the next thing, if you are actually exercising, right? You are actually exercising, you're in the gym, you're doing blah, 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 blah. Okay, cool. The thing that I want to emphasize is make sure you're doing exercises that actually work for you. I can't tell you how many people say, I do push-ups and they don't do anything. I can't tell you how many people say, I do bench press and I don't feel anything. I can't tell you how many people say I do this and I don't feel anything. I do this and I don't feel anything. Bro, if you don't feel anything, do something else. If it's not working, try to figure out how to make it work or go do something else. There's only two options in life. That's how it is with everything. If something's not working, you either take it, you try to make it work, or you do something else. There's no other complications. I make everything simple because everything is simple in life. It's not easy, but it's very simple. For example, this is two great examples. When I used to be heavy in the gym, right? One thing that kind of made me mad was that I tried bench pressing, but I always felt weak. So what did I try? I went from wide grip benching because I noticed I'm always doing wide grip. I tried doing closed grip. When I tell you I increased my bench by like 40 pounds, well, really, I didn't even really increase it. I probably was building it and I didn't really know. I don't know what it is. I tried wide grip benching. It just doesn't work for me. I tried narrow grip. Boy, I went from 130 to 180. Narrow grip, 10 times. Not this narrow, but like this narrow. 10 times better for me. And on top of that, even benching at one point wasn't building my chest that much. What did I start doing? I started doing the pec flies. You know these, the machine you sit down on? Yeah, I started doing these. That stuff started building my chest for real because it isolated my chest. That's what I mean. If one thing doesn't work, you take that, either improve it or you do something else. Simple as that. Now, the next thing that I'm going to talk about, bro, it's 2021. If you're not an expert or if you're not already at an advanced level, if you don't clearly know what you're doing, please do not do bro splits. If you don't know what a bro split is, you take Monday for chest, you take Tuesday for arms, you take Wednesday for legs. You know the whole skipping leg day thing? Yeah, a whole day is dedicated for legs. You want to know what's so funny about that phrase? Oh, skip a leg day. A whole week, you went a week without hitting legs because you designated one day to legs. That's why I said, if you're not dedicated and already know what you're doing, do not do bro splits. Do full body workouts. I say full body workouts. Yes, you take longer at the gym. Yes, if you're at home, they take longer to do. I get it. I don't care. Because when you go there and you do that full body workout, you hit every single muscle in your body. I'm not joking. The funny thing is, even with the bro splits, even if you are advanced, I hit chest. If I do 3 full body workouts in 1 week, I hit my chest 3 times that week. You hit it once. People said I made gains out of nowhere. People said, hey, all those veins on your arms, oh, you're doing steroids. Maybe I just decided to hit the same body part 3 times in 1 week while you hit it once, and then you don't even go to the gym for the next 2 weeks. Stop making this shit complicated for yourself. Speaking of taking a day off, one of the greatest things is recovery. I'm not even gonna BS you. The greatest thing possibly, recovery. I know a lot of y'all are gonna be like, how in the world is sleeping and taking a break good? You are not giving your muscles any time to make muscle and build muscle from being torn and rebuilding if you keep freaking hitting it a million times a week. I'm not even gonna sit up here and lie to y'all. Those 30-day challenges, like somebody told me to do the One Punch Man challenge. That challenge will not make you, it will not give you gains like you think it does. You're thinking because you're hitting it every single day and you're doing that much, you're really not making that many gains. I'm not gonna sit up here and lie to you. So to all those YouTubers, even me, if I post a 30-day challenge, it's simply for dedication and discipline purposes. I want to see how far I can go. Now, as far as actually making gains, 30-day challenges are probably the worst things you can do because you're not giving your body time to recover from the exercise you just did. So for those y'all that hit arms every single day and you're wondering why your arms are not getting bigger, that's probably the reason why. You probably need to hit arms less. I know that sounds like the dumbest thing ever, but you probably need to hit arms less. If you're not building your chest and you are hitting chest every single day, you probably need to stop hitting chest every single day. It sounds so stupid. I know it does to you, but guess what? That's how it works. Yeah, man. It's Frank. Those are the fastest ways to make gains. I'm out.